Hello children, this is the last part of angles, chapter number 15 of standard 6 foundation mathematics book. In the previous video, in the second part, we learned the classification of angles. Here we are going to start with perpendicular lines. What are perpendicular lines? Two lines are said to be perpendicular to each other if they intersect at right angles. Here we have two lines. AB is one line and CD is another line. CD is intersecting AB at point O and it is making an angle of 90 degree. It is making an angle of 90 degree. We can say that CD is perpendicular on AB. So when two lines are perpendicular to each other when they intersect at right angles. So this was the end of the chapter. Now we'll go through the exercises. Before you start with the exercise, take out page number 203 of your book. Classification of angles. All these types of angles you are going to write in your notebook with the figure. The definition of all these angles you are going to write in your notebook. The definition for perpendicular lines also you will write. Then the definition for congruent angles. The definition of angle with the figure and writing the definition for the vertex and the arms. Then coming to exercise 15A. Exercise 15A, you have to name each of the following angles. Each of the following angles, also name the vertex and the arms in each case. Look at the first figure. We'll do one figure only. ACB. C is the vertex. You can name the angle as angle C. You can name it as angle ACB. And you can also name it as BCA. So there will be three names for one angle. Then the arms in each case. Since the vertex is C, so the arms are CB, CA. Similarly, for the rest, you can write the angles. How many angles are formed in each of the figures given below? Name them. How many angles are formed? Three angles are formed over here. Angle PQR, angle QPR, and angle QRP. Name all possible angles in the adjoining figure. Similar way, you can name the possible angles over here in the figure. Rest also naming angles are given and you can do it. Since you have done it in standard 5, so you can do it. In exercise 15B, measure each of the following angles. Write it measure. Write whether it is acute, obtuse, right, straight or a reflex angle. You can measure the angle. You can write the name of the angle also. Classify angles whose magnitudes are given. Write the angle, give a dash and write the name of the angle. Now come to question number 3. How many degrees are there in one right angle? One right angle is equal to 90 degree. Two right angles is equal to, one right angle is 90 degrees. So two right angles is 90 into 2 is 180 degree. How many degrees are there in 2/3 of a right angle? One right angle is 90 degree. So 2/3 of a right angle is equal to 2 by 3 of 90 degree. That is 2 by 3 into 90 degree. 90 is cancelled by 3, that is 30 degree. So 2 into 30 is 60 degree. All the exercises with the definitions and all, whatever assignment is given, you will do it in the maths notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.